This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Kathy Worthen. Attention builders and rehab folks. Lots of new construction nearby with comps in the upper $300s. Seller to do no repairs. Empty easement lot next door to be sold with property not to be sold separately. Near Chesapeake Sqaure Mall area. Interstates and Western Branch Schools. Fixer-upper. Central heat/air about 20 years old. Newer vinyl windows 14 years ago. Stove doesn't work. For more information, review the details below.